vinegar. Nigga gon' run for my problems. We stacking up guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. The top shelf, got 40 designer belt. No PF, look like the new BM up. They gon' dump, got stones in my right or left. So you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us when they block to get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the trunk, I'm counting more fit. Scotch rollers, movie in a prison. 150 client, Richard Mello. But they damn it to his empty. Because I'm spitting flavor to the temp. I am not.
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Zane Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, you already know you're a real one. If you're new, hey, what's up? Make sure you come join the Rockstar Angels by clicking that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like and a comment, you guys. We're on a road to 2,000 subscribers. I just really love it here. So, you know, as you can see, I'm trying to keep it up with the content. I'm trying to keep it consistent for y'all. I'm not trying. I'm keeping it consistent for y'all. So if you don't know, I am a college student. So I'm trying to get some school content out there for y'all. I'm trying to get different content out there for y'all that y'all like. I got a video that I did about school that you guys really liked. So I'm going to try to keep more of that content going for y'all. So in this video, I will be unboxing and installing this hair from Amazon. The vendor is from Kiss Love Hair. This hair is 28 inches deep wave. This is my first time doing deep wave. The way I got it installed, I did a little braid with a little middle part with some baby hairs. Y'all, so far this hair is so beautiful. Like, just look at it. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing some hair from Amazon. So this is my second time ordering some hair from Amazon. I wanted to unbox the hair with you guys just so you guys can see how the hair comes packaged. And I'm excited. So let me go ahead and package the hair.
You know I gotta bring the G vlog. You know I gotta bring the D.
So we get a little bit of branding. We get I see something. I thought they were just gonna send me the hair and just the plastic. You guys, if one thing about me, I cannot stand hair that just comes in plastic, especially if I'm spending money on it. So it comes in this little purple bag, which is cute. Give me a little thumbnail. Yeah. The bag says, "You are the beautiful girl." We beautiful. So I'm gonna open the bag. So yeah, you guys, this is Kiss Love Hair. Woo! She is long. Hold on. So you guys, this is a 13x4 lace, deep wave. I got 28 inches. Oh, she's long though. So it's in the neck. Let's take the neck off. And this is the hair. This is my first time I'm gonna be doing deep wave. She's really pretty. She feels very luxurious. I'm loving the curls so far. Yes, y'all, we got inches, okay? So today is Tuesday. I'm gonna go drop the hair off. It's a girl that's gonna do my hair. This is the lace. It has a clip and a band in the back. 13x4 lace. And y'all, we gonna go get her installed. Like, wow, just wow. So yeah, that's us unboxing the hair. Look at the lace. And yeah, y'all, so stay tuned for me installing this hair. I'm gonna see you guys when we're installing the hair, and that's on what? That's period, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. She got a wig put on.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, hunter, cooker, hey,
Yeah, I just wanna push that. It folds back instead of
like that. It folds like down. You want it like that?
Yeah.
The other one was like push back.
Yeah, down.
hey, surf on wave, hop it, sipping acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, breaking that acorn, baby, butter pecan, thinking that I want a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep him back, get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speed in the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist. Top of that X, on the strong, gotta keep you a gun. Not a regular, but that's strong. Fucking whole bottle, we get remind. She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm full with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, wanna. Come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rap get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. Shooters follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. On the one from the bottom, who sold out my partner, them guys, God, the period. Oh, he enough. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you running the bins in a tumble truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last, I'm no wiping her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the feel the sun. I'm broke, see his pop, I 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and
I forgot to tell y'all that the hair came with this band that I totally didn't notice when I was unpackaging my hair. It must have dropped on the floor and I noticed it. So this is like a little wig band, which I really needed. So thank you Kiss Love Hair for including this in your package. We love some branding. So if you want more hair videos like this, make sure you comment down below and hopefully we could get more looks for y'all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Zanae.Simone and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to.